Got about 24 hours in. I'm going to do a 72-hour test. Got the door closed in the room. AC's running. Birds are chirping in the birdhouse. But I did happen to notice I've got a little problem back here with some crazy heat. I think I saw it up to, if I dial it in, I saw it up to like 120 something. So that's a little bit of a problem. At least 100 or so. I think the wire I chose is not exactly thick enough to transfer all that power. 300 watts. Probably should have doubled up. I'm going to get some solid copper wire on the next run. But we're collecting data well. It still only runs about, I don't know, 5 to 6 degrees colder than the room. So I think it's about 79 in here with the door closed, 76 coming out of there. But I have a feeling that extra bit of heat in the back is not helping. It's probably about 20 watts of heat. It burned when I touched it, so a little too hot. And since, I don't want to live to the ripe old age of died in a house fire, I will probably take this apart and see if I can replace that bit. I was hoping maybe I might catch the bird coming in and out. I think it's a house wren or a European sparrow. Little bitty dude. Anyway, that's the update so far. I'll have a big old narfy looking chart done once we get through 72 hours.